who is suffering from gynecomastia are also called as man boobs. I always tell them, stop being embarrassed about it. We understand that it is quite a social embarrassment condition, and the patient or the person who is suffering from it don't wear tight t-shirt, don't go for swimming, don't go for outdoor activities, and somehow they keep on blaming on their weight, or their parents or their friends keep on blaming their weight for the problem. I would like to tell them, stop blaming yourself and fat for the problem. The problem is actually the breast gland what you are having. So what happens in many of the males during 13, 14, 15 years of age, there are a lot of hormonal imbalances which happen. And during that imbalance, there is some sort of small breast gland which gets formed. Now around this gland, you can have some fat deposition as well. But since this is a gland, you cannot get it treated by any medicine, any exercise, or any injection. You have to get it surgically removed. And once it is removed, it's a permanent cure.